Hey everybody, Tommy from StewMac here. Got some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that we're gonna have to postpone our 57 Mini Tweed live build. At our home base here in Athens, Ohio, just like everywhere across the country and the world, COVID cases are on the spike, and we were alerted of a possible exposure, and we're just not wanting to take any chances. Whether it's putting amplifiers together or doing our part to curb a pandemic, safety always comes first here at StewMac, so we just need to postpone this live build for a week or two till we're sure we're in the clear. The good news is that now you have time. If you haven't bought your kit or if you were on the fence, this could be your sign. The 57 Mini Tweed is a great choice for a beginner, an iconic amp. It's one of my favorite circuits. Huge sound in a small package back there, and it really just is a fantastic kit. You can go ahead and pick one of those up at StewMac.com. We're gonna be live, so you can ask me questions while we build our amps together. As soon as we have any more information, we're gonna post updates about times, dates, and so forth. Thanks for your patience and understanding. We love and appreciate all our viewers out there. We hope everyone's staying safe and healthy, and we'll see you very soon.